So this is an introduction to Task 8 in our English General course this year. We're giving you this introduction now at the start of the year because it's going to build up across the course of the year. So you're going to have some things you need to decide on, such as what app should I use, or what my issue of concern will be that I'm particularly interested in. And so we want you to develop a magazine with purpose. And the first step is to think about the topical theme for your magazine. Go with an issue or idea that will sustain your interest for the whole year. And at this stage of your life, definite opinions about issues and ideas are becoming increasingly important to you. And so it's really helpful, I think, if you start with a title in question. And here are some examples here that you might use. Youth activism. Are we the change we've been waiting for? Sports and ethics. Should athletes be role models? Climate catastrophe. Are we already too late? Fast fashion. Who pays the real price? AI. Dreaming more damnation. Good bit of alliteration there. And the dark side of social media. Connection or control. Again, some alliteration. These are some ideas to help get you started in exploring your own. Now, the contents of your magazine will evolve over the course of the year, and there'll be a combination of both formal assessments and formative tasks that go into your magazine. Your infographic task will be the first to include in your magazine. And for some of your writing tasks, the in-class component will be assessed for that task, and then you will take that in-class assessment and treat it as a draft and revise it to include in your magazine. So the infographic is that first starting point, and they're a powerful tool for presenting complex information in a visually engaging and an easily digestible way. And by combining data, visuals, and concise text, they help the audience to quickly grasp the essence of a topic. So in your magazine, the infographic is going to play a critical role in synthesizing information related to your focus issue, making it accessible to a broader audience. This format, it doesn't just enhance understanding, but it appeals to diverse learning styles by integrating visual and textual elements. Through thoughtful design, the infographic effectively communicates key messages, it will foster engagement, and it leaves a lasting impression on readers. Now, another element that you're going to be creating is an opinion article, and this will be down the line during the year, and it's a critical piece of the magazine that allows you to express a well-reasoned viewpoint on an issue related to the magazine's theme. Now, by combining your personal insights, some researched evidence, and persuasive language, it'll aim to engage readers while influencing their perspectives. And these pieces are designed to present a clear argument, support the view with facts, examples, and credible sources, and connect with the audience through a confident voice and logical structure. In your magazine, the opinion piece adds depth by exploring thought-provoking issues and encouraging readers to develop and consider alternative perspectives. Okay? So another piece that you'll be creating is a short story, and that's a creative feature in the magazine. It's designed to entertain, inspire, and provoke thought. And you're going to be using imaginative storytelling to explore themes or issues that connect with your magazine's overarching topic. So you can start to see how choosing a good topic will help make your life easier across the course of the year. And so through vivid descriptions, relatable characters, and engaging plots, your short story will capture the reader's attention and offering insights into the human experience. So the key purposes of your short story include exploring complex ideas or emotions, engaging readers with relatable or thought-provoking themes, and showcasing your creative writing skills, including use of narrative elements such as setting, character, and conflict. In this magazine, the short story will provide a fresh perspective on your chosen theme, offering readers a reflective and emotional connection to the topic. It complements other content by weaving ideas into a compelling and accessible narrative format. Now, this isn't unusual in magazines. Magazines like The New Yorker, they combine fiction and non-fiction. I think The Atlantic might even do that as well. A lot of magazines will weave different genres to explore a consistent theme. Another piece of writing you'll contribute to this will be a documentary review, and this will be in term 3. So your documentary film review is an analytical piece, and that's going to evaluate the film's content, techniques, and impact. And this review offers some insight into how the documentary addresses key issues and engages its audience. So key aspects of your review are going to include summarizing the film's purpose, message, and its main ideas, analyzing techniques such as visuals, interviews, narration, and statistics, offering a personal evaluation of the film's effectiveness, its relevance and connection to your magazine theme, and it will enrich the magazine by providing readers with a critical perspective on how media can inform and shape public understandings of significant issues. It'll highlight the power of documentaries to inspire reflection and action. Now, it is important to think about the formatting of your magazine, and on the page here is a sample of this. Typically, magazines are formatted into columns, and they tend to have shorter paragraphs as well, shorter than, say, an analytical essay that you might have written in previous years. And so they'll also use things like pull quotes and all of that. And so during the year, we'll look at some examples of magazines so that you can use that. There's also on sector, there's a template that you could use for pages that will work on your iPad or a Mac as well. And so that's been given to you just to help you get a start. And so here's what success looks like. The key elements that you'll have in there are your infographic, your opinion article, short story, and a documentary review. So success looks like having a magazine that includes accurate, well-researched content that aligns with your theme, that the layout is visually appealing and consistent with consistent formatting and effective use of images and design elements, with pages that are easy to navigate, that there's some creativity and engagement is involved, and the purpose and integration, the content and design addresses the magazine's purpose while connecting elements cohesively. Ideas from various tasks are integrated to create a unified final product. This is a really exciting task, I think, because it brings together the assessment work that you're doing during the year and builds that up towards something that you can really, really be proud of at the end of the year. So make sure you use the task brief that you've been given and the extra resources. And it's really important early on in the year to have a clear sense of what your topic is. And that's why we're showing you all this information now. So good luck.